It's time to come alive and come back like the sun breaks a day. It's time to come back.
Kita ke mana hari ni, Cik?
Alah, masjid Ya, berjemaah. Mau tahu apa problem ah?
Okey, selamat semua sampai. Tapi kita belum sampai lagi sebenarnya.
Baik. Nanti korang cari pokok tebu tau.
You don't know how to hide it. You lost what you believe. You
Kalau ikut alamat tu Syarah. Sebelum junction kita nak turun Genting tu. Kemudian kita akan berhenti dekat BHP Karak. Kita akan skip yang daripada sini sampai ke BHP Karak. Allahumma hawil alaina fi sakaratil maut wan najata min an-nar wa naf'a 'inda al-hisab. Wa sallallahu ala sayyidina Muhammadin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi wa barik wa sallam. Walhamdulillahirabbil alamin.
Appreciate every mixtape my friends make. You never know, we come and go like on the interstate. I think I finally found a note to make you understand. If you can hit it, sing along and take me by the hands. Keep me stuck inside your head like your favorite tune. You know my heart's a stereo, the only place for you.
My heart's a stereo. It beats for you, so listen close. Hear my thoughts in every note. Make me your radio. Turn me up when you feel low. This melody was meant for you. So sing along to my stereo. To my stereo. Leave me behind.
Never leave me.
Because good music can be so hard to I got my head out the sunroof. I'm blasting our favorite tunes. I only got one thing on my mind. You got me stuck on the thought of you. You're making me feel brand new. You're more than a sunshine in my eyes.
Oh yeah, feels like a never-ending summer with you. Hand surfing out the window in the middle of June. Sunset, sunroof, suntan on you. Blue skies, green eyes. It feels like I'm driving down the freeway at night. I only got one thing in the back of my mind. Yeah, I'm feeling like this might be.
My nose, got rose in my cup though. Shawty climbing my pole, she got me locked in on cup though. G house, bring the streets out, go DJ, please play that heat now. Sit bass, that super bass got me dead live. I'm Kurt Cobain, like boom, boom. We listen to boom, pimp game ice cold. I'm chillin' with the group, hot really like firecrackers, last with the doom. Acting like a fool, don't play by the rules. Game time better come correct. Game playing at your best, then you will get left. If it don't involve money, then I don't accept. If it don't involve money, then I don't accept. This club, diamonds on my necklace, party all night, I ain't trying to see the exit. Remy A so drunk out of my brain, roll to the rage, I'm out of your brain.
Alhamdulillah kita dah sampai ke Karak. InsyaAllah sikit lagi kita akan sampai ke destinasi yang kita tuju. Mudah-mudahan semua selamat sampai. Terima kasih. Kat corner tu laju sikit ya. Ada cucuk tu.
Who learn to love the pain. We come from different places, but have the same name. Cause we were born for this. We were born for this. We are the broken ones who chose to spark a flame. Watch as our fire rages, our hearts are never tame. Cause we were born for this. We were born for this. I've struggled for years and through all of the tears I faced the dark side. Never give in to my fears deep within, cause I heard my voice inside. I know I was born for this. I know I was born for this. I will never lose my voice. If I cut out all the noise, I know I was born for this. I know I was born for this. I believe we can rise.
Alhamdulillah kita sampai tepat mengikut waktu yang kita cadangkan. 9.30 dekat Toki. Syukur alhamdulillah semua selamat sampai. Cuma berlaku sedikit keterlepasan. Sekiannya. Ini lepas kita decorate yang baru lah.
GoPro mat.
Syukur, jom kita makan.
Baik.
Acak tu acak. Bela.
Sabar.
Okey.
Alhamdulillah. Lagi kalau ada orang belanja Lemang.
Oh.
Mari.
Akak ni belanja. Akak ni belanja lah.
Baik.
Black, okey Black.
Selamat datang ke Lemang Toki. Terbaik.
Tengok yang back in macam mana lah. Tu kita kena tengok back in lebih boleh.
Aku dah transfer tapi pending.
Pending. Jadi boleh dipertimbangkan lah. Okey, mantap.
I worry about nothing. I am wearing a nada. I'm sitting pretty impatient, but I know you gotta.
Toki terbaik.
Mana Bika hilang.
Get you fired. I know you're all.
Ni kecil. Isaac.
Kecil ni nama panggilan di luar kita kena panggil dia Isaac. Pun terbaik lah. Bakat BTSC dulu masih terselah.
Kan.
Dia dekat jadi jelas top up dia. Murah sikit kan?
Kurang ngam-ngam lah. Tak isi kan. Risau lah. Yalah. Naik bukit tu. Lagi kalau naik 2 orang memang lagi berat lah. Saya lah kursi. Kau kursi 10. Baik tu baru
pasal.
Dua takut lah.
Mawi.
Ada bapaknya.
Kena ambil lah. Jangan makan.
Awak memang penting ke? Juga masuk.
Kita.
Kat mana? Single ke? Nasib baik selamat.
Give you a promotion. I'll make it feel like a
Ambil merajuk dulu.
your body. Nothing but cheating between us. Ain't no getting off early.
So tall, I could give a high five to the pilot. Yeah, family tight, I keep small circle like island. Whoa, inbox full of contracts, I signed with a stylist.
Aren mat.
Nabi nak apple. Yuk, Jiblon. SRA apa? Oh.
When I'm done with it, I'm a new school vibe with an oh so great. Stay paid by the boat.
Ni dongkol.
Chasing a wave from a rowboat. Blow smoke right through the face of the ozone. Oh no, I got the bag, I'm back to just double it. I'm about to pop the top, I've been bubbling.
Interframe pula.
I do not cuddle it. They tryna plot my drop, they been huddling. Feeling so tall, I could give a high five
Yuk,
to
Cik,
the
Jiblon.
pilot. Yeah, family tight, I keep small circle like island. Whoa, inbox full of contracts, I signed with a stylist. Yeah, blue faces blowing up like fire.
Let's go. Kita mau kata tu je.
Jom.
Let's go.
Jelit.
Feeling so tall, I could give a high five to the pilot. Yeah, family tight, I keep small circle like island. Whoa, inbox full of contracts, I signed with a stylist. Yeah, blue faces blowing up like violet. Talk about the things they're gonna say when they see me, and when they see me, they just dap me up and say.
Okay, on.
On.
Lagi kalau tak dia nak menjala.
Nak menjala?
Dia
Oh, habis bawa kat mandian.
tinggal ini aku nak mandi lah. Mandi laut tengah hari macam ni. Kering dul.
Pusing je. Pusing. Suruh kamu pergi jual beras.
Keunggulan cinta dari sinar mata yang bergelora, hati di taman berbunga, satu impian, satu harapan.
Feeling so tall, I could give a high five to the pilot. Yeah, family tight, I keep small circle like island. Whoa, inbox full of contracts, I signed with a stylist. Yeah, blue faces blowing up.
Jawab itu. Ini dia tak buaya pun dia tangkap.
Feeling so tall, I could
Okay, dah. Sudah panggil. King sudah panggil.
family tight, I keep small circle like island.
Aku dapat air sungai, dia tak lagi.
Siapa?
Blowing up like violence.
1, 2, 3.
Cover sikit drumstick tu.
They don't wanna come with it. I'm a scene, still a scene, feel it blow up the numbers, and I ain't leaving no.
There's a moment in your bones when the fire takes over. Blood is running, heart is pumping as the battle gets closer. They can say what they want now, 'cause we'll be screaming out, we can be heroes everywhere we go. We can have all that we ever want. Swinging like Ali, knocking out bodies, standing on top like a champion. Keep your heart silver, give me that gold. You'll remember when I say we can be heroes everywhere we go. Keeping us down is impossible, 'cause we're unstoppable.
Okay, enjoy, fun.
Hadir, luncur.
Dah lama kita tak dapat jumpa Karak, tapi akhirnya bertemu juga. Tak baik.
Budak. Ya apa?
Sini ada kopi bang. Kalau abang suka kopi, sini memang tempat dia lah.
Okay.
Benda-benda bid'ah ni kita kena kaji dulu.
Tak ada set pun dah tak ada ruang. Masa dia buat kalau tak ada ni.
Hari ini kita berada di kelas mengeja.
Rasanya Malaysia lagi ni.
Sebutannya. Aduh.
Oh, ada 2 kaunter pun.
Oh, kaunter air, kaunter makan.
Tak, ada 2 kaunter. Tadi satu.
Betul loading dah. Berapa orang yang diet ada ni?
Diet juga kan?
Dekat diet ke?
No diet. Satu lain ke dua lain ni?
Dua.
Dua lain.
Oh, 2 lain.
2 lain, 3 lain.
3 lain jangan. 3 lain.
3 lain.
Jangan, tu cerita lain tu.
3 lain. Jangan.
Diet je.
Diet lah.
Bang, abang fly tadi bang?
Tak fly, tak ada fly. Hari ni double, tak ada fly. Tu. Ni dia fly.
Oh, dia yang fly.
Sebab dia single.
Azizul.
Ayam.
Okey bang, dah makan bang?
Dah wadah kah?
Luncur.
Nyenteng-nyenteng.
Hantar mandi tu. Mandi.
Minum.
Lepas ni mana Sam?
Dah.
Genting. Genting boleh ni genting.
Bergaduh je lah.
Lepas makan di Ladang Kopi, menikmati kopi-kopi daripada Ladang, kita semakin bersemangat dan bertenaga untuk balik ke rumah. Semoga dipermudahkan dan selamat perjalanan balik. Terima kasih.
Lepak Tanjung.
Lepak lagi tak balik.
Terima kasih pengerusi menganjurkan balik santai. Tanya pengerusi bila nak buat lagi. Ngam teruk.
Baik. Terima kasih semua. Baik.
Video tu nanti kat sendiri.
Balik. Alah.
Si anak aku.
Mantap.
Tadi ada hujan gambreng.
Ada ke?
Tadi ada.
Oh ya.
Jali.
Cakap je jalan.
Kalau tak pandai main, goyang dek, goyang. Ha, mati.